A 5-pound bag of white sugar has an infinite shelf life. Starting an emergency food supply from absolute zero can feel completely overwhelming and expensive. Many beginners make the critical mistake of buying random survival gear instead of foundational nutrition. Today, you will learn a step-by-step, budget-friendly blueprint to build a starter stockpile that actually works for your family. When you look at pictures of experienced preppers online, you often see massive basement walls covered in thousands of cans, row after row of sealed buckets, and professional water filtration systems. Seeing that level of preparation can make you feel like you are already too far behind to ever catch up. You might think that if you do not have $1,000 of extra cash right now, you cannot protect your family from food shortages or inflation. That is a dangerous myth. Every single massive prepper pantry you see started with just one single can of food on an empty shelf. The secret to building a stockpile that actually works is not having a massive budget. It is having a logical, repeatable system that builds your inventory without draining your weekly wallet. Let us look at the first step to starting from absolute zero, which is the copy canning method. This is the easiest and most affordable way for a beginner to start today without changing their lifestyle. When you go to the grocery store for your normal weekly shopping, look at the items you already buy and eat every single week. If you buy 1 can of diced tomatoes for dinner, simply buy a second can of that exact same item. If you buy 1 box of pasta, buy 2 instead. This method only adds $1 or $2 extra to your total grocery bill, making it completely unnoticeable to your budget. Because you are buying food your family already loves, you completely eliminate the risk of wasting money on strange survival foods that nobody will actually eat when a real crisis happens. Next, you need to establish your absolute baseline of caloric security, and that starts with white long-grain rice. Rice is the king of beginner prepper foods for 3 simple reasons. It is incredibly cheap, it is highly filling, and it lasts for up to 30 years when sealed away from oxygen and moisture. A basic 20-pound bag of white rice costs very little money but provides over 33,000 total calories. Calories are what keep your body moving and your brain functioning when fresh food is unavailable. Do not worry about buying specialized storage buckets on day one. Simply keeping the rice in its original heavy plastic bag inside a dark, cool closet will protect it perfectly fine for your first few months as you build up your system. Think about your current kitchen setup for just a second. If a major storm knocked out the power grid in your neighborhood for 3 whole days, what would your family eat for breakfast tomorrow morning? It is a practical question that shifts our mindset from fear to action. Let me know in the comments section below if you are starting your pantry completely from scratch or if you already have a few days of food set aside. The third foundational item for a beginner stockpile is dry pinto or black beans. As we discussed in our earlier pantry guides, combining dry beans with white rice creates a medically complete protein. This means the combination gives your body all the essential amino acids it needs to repair muscle and keep your immune system strong. A 5-pound bag of dry beans costs pennies per serving and takes up very little space on your shelf. While they do require boiling water to cook, having a solid block of stable dry protein gives you a massive safety net if meat prices become too high to afford at the local market. Our fourth step is securing your cooking liquid, which means stocking up on cheap, versatile vegetable oil or canola oil. Calories from dry grains and beans are excellent, but your body also requires dietary fat to absorb vital nutrients and maintain brain health. A large bottle of standard cooking oil provides a massive concentration of pure, stable calories. You can use it to fry foods, bake bread, or simply stir a tablespoon of it into your white rice to instantly boost the caloric density of a simple survival meal. Keep your oil stored in the darkest, coolest part of your pantry, as heat and sunlight are the 2 main elements that cause cooking oils to turn rancid over time. The fifth critical item for a beginner is canned chunk light tuna in oil. Protein is consistently the most expensive part of any grocery budget, and it is usually the first thing to disappear from store shelves during a regional supply chain panic. Canned tuna is fully cooked, shelf-stable for years, and provides instant high-quality protein without requiring a stove or fire to prepare. By choosing tuna packed in oil instead of water, you are intentionally capturing extra fat calories that will keep your energy levels steady during a high-stress emergency situation. Are you finding these practical beginner steps easy to follow for your household? If you want to learn more realistic ways to protect your family from rising costs without spending a fortune, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video right now. Your support allows us to keep creating simple, human-focused preparedness guides for everyday people. Let us move to the sixth step, which is an item that completely removes the stress of cooking dry grains: hard pasta like spaghetti or macaroni. When you are just starting out, you might feel intimidated by the long cooking times required for dry beans. Hard pasta is the perfect beginner alternative because it cooks to perfection in just 8 to 10 minutes of boiling water. 1-pound boxes of generic pasta are incredibly affordable and stack beautifully like bricks inside any standard closet or underbed storage box. It is pure comfort food that provides fast, easily digestible carbohydrates to keep your morale high when things get tough. The seventh item you must add to your starter shelf is canned tomato sauce or paste. Plain pasta and plain rice will quickly cause appetite fatigue, making it difficult to keep your calorie intake up during a prolonged crisis. Canned tomato products provide immediate rich flavor, essential moisture, and vital vitamin C to your meals. They are exceptionally cheap, often costing less than $1 per can, and they can instantly turn a bland pile of white rice and dry beans into a savory, satisfying chili or stew. Our eighth step focuses on a massive hidden asset: generic bouillon cubes. A single small box of chicken or beef bouillon cubes costs very little but contains enough concentrated flavor packets to season dozens of individual meals. Instead of cooking your beginner rice and pasta in plain water, dropping a single bouillon cube into the boiling pot infuses the entire grain with a rich, comforting meat flavor. This simple trick tricks your brain into feeling like you are eating a complex, hearty meal, which is a massive psychological advantage during a stressful household event. Finally, the ninth item for your beginner stockpile is a multi-pack of bottled water. While food is critical, the human body can only survive for 3 days without clean drinking water. If a local water main breaks or a storm contaminates your municipal tap system, having a few cases of standard commercial bottled water stored under your bed ensures your family can hydrate safely without relying on emergency distribution lines. Secure at least 1 gallon of water per person per day for a minimum of 3 days before you focus on buying any more food. Building a starter prepper pantry does not require you to change your entire life overnight. It is a slow, steady journey of making smarter choices during your regular shopping trips. By focusing on high-calorie grains, simple proteins, and rich flavor enhancers, you can easily build a 2-week food reserve in less than a month for less than $20 extra. True security is not built on fear. It is built on the small, quiet actions you take today to guarantee your family has a meal on the table tomorrow. Taking control of your food security is the most powerful step you can take today. If you want to see exactly how to organize your new starter stockpile using basic bins, watch the next tactical video on your screen right now. Stay safe, stay smart, and start building today.